So how to add your Starbucks card to Apple Wallet. So to add your Starbucks rewards card to Apple Wallet, the easiest way to do this is through the Starbucks app. So you're going to want to go ahead and download it if you haven't done so already. And you're going to want to sign in. And once you've signed in, it should bring you to the home page right here. But once you are on this page, right at the bottom, you just want to click on scan right here. Then once you've clicked on scan, it should give you a barcode of your Starbucks card. And to add it to your Apple Wallet, you should see a button here that says add to Apple Wallet. So you just want to go ahead and select that. Then once you've done that, it should open you up to this preview page here. And to go ahead and add your Starbucks card to Apple Wallet, you just want to select add right at the top. Then once you've done that, if you open up your Apple Wallet, you should now see your Starbucks card available in your Apple Wallet, making it easier the next time you visit Starbucks. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.